Okay, wishing very much happy good morning you everyone. Today we are back with extreme level session of part number 3rd of history. We are doing the session, we are attending the session of Harappan and Indus Valley civilization. As per we have a lot of topics of SSC, we have a lot of content for SSC which is very helpful for you all one. So today we will go to attend the session because the last part is which parts we have have their side. Part number first we have seen, part number second we have seen most important PYQ questions, most important questions of history we have seen their side, discussed have if you not seen. So I will recommend you go firstly playlist, watch videos given have their side. Now we are going to start part number 3rd. Okay, this is the part 3rd have part 3rd, and this part 3rd of Harappan and Indus Valley civilization. Clear? Harappan, Indus civilization. Okay, Harappan and Indus civilization. We have completed our most important questions in the part first, part second. Like part first have 10 questions, top 10 most important questions. In top part second, top 6 most important questions we have discussed. That means total 16 questions including the part first and part second we have completed. That means can say the part 3rd will be going to become the 17th number most important question. Clear? So number 17th question going to become most important question have. Okay, let's see. Just a second, give me only just a second, give. Okay, we will start the archaeological. Note down everyone, the archaeological. Clear have the archaeological. One second, wait. Okay, logical, everyone make comment. Okay, the archaeological, okay, finds from the Alamgirpur, finds from the Alamgirpur, from the Alamgirpur. Okay, question saying the archaeological finds from the Alamgirpur in Gazia in Gazia. Clear है? In Gazia. Options are option on your screen have number first Harappa culture, Harappa culture. Second option Vedic culture, Vedic culture. And third option is Mauryan culture, Mauryan culture. Clear have? Harappa culture and Vedic culture, Mauryan culture, and the fourth is beta, fourth is Gupta period culture, Gupta period. Okay, Gupta period culture. Clear have? We are at the most important questions tab which is very helpful for you everyone. You are looking on your screen, then question saying the archaeological finds from the Alamgirpur in Gazia. Option number first Harappa culture, option number second Vedic culture, option number third Maurya culture, option number fourth is Gupta period culture. Clear have? So here right answer will be Harappa culture. What will be beta? Harappa culture. And this question beta, this question on your screen which one written ha, this question has been asked in beta most important UPPSC UPPCS can say. Okay, UPPCS in mains beta, UPPCS in mains in 2005 beta. Why I carried UPPCS 2005 mains question? Because now the category of the questions of the civil services and SSC, CGL, mini IAS are similar, something have. So we need to took the questions, we need to check out the questions from this one series. Okay, so that's the reason we have. Clear? Okay, very good. Now start. Next number question, what saying? 18th number, note down. Question have cotton for textile was cotton for textile was okay first cultivated in clear है cultivated in. Options are on your screen. have number first option is Egypt, number second Mesopotamian, number third is beta Central America, and number fourth is beta India. Okay, and this question asked in prelims have beta UPPSC both can say UPPCS prelims of 2006. clear have UPPCS okay UPPCS in prelims beta prelims have this P have okay UPPCS prelims. Question saying beta cotton for textile, for which work? For textiling. So cotton for textile was first cultivated in, means first time cotton for the textile were cultivated beta. So options are Egypt, Mesopotamian, or Central America, or India. Then you will say right answer is India. What have India? So in the India first time cotton cultivated for the textile. clear have this question has been asked in UPPCS prelims of 2006 batch. clear have this question asked in UPPCS prelims 2006. clear? Any candidate any kind problem easily can make comment. Okay, so erase this question because we will move for the next series question. Okay, very good. Yes, next question what saying this understand. Question saying rock cut 19th number have. Yes, rock cut. Okay, rock cut architecture in Harappa culture architecture in Harappa culture in Harappa culture. Okay beta, understand. Question saying rock cut architecture Harappa culture context has been found. Context has been found. Clear? Rock cut architecture Harappa culture context has been found. Where found है बेटा? At options C. Option number first on your screen have option number first Kalibanga. Okay, Kalibanga. Option number second Dholavira. Option number third is Kalibanga, Dholavira. Option number third is beta Kotadji, Amri and Kotadji. Clear have? And this question has been asked in same examination UPPCS prelims batch. Okay, UPPCS prelims batch of 2006. clear have? This question has been asked in UPPCS prelims batch of 2006. Completed. Question saying rock cut architecture Harappa culture context has been found at. You will have to tell the place where rock cut architecture Harappa culture found. So firstly understand, already approximately 5 plus questions. 5 plus questions I have given on Harappa culture, and more than 3 questions I have given on rock cut. If you not seen in the part first, part second we have given you all. Okay, now related the UPPCS, prelims batch 2 plus questions you have most important, and talk about the mains series. So mains series we have approximately given plus 7 plus questions. So you can see the basis of your examination purpose have all. Okay, now you see the questions what asking. Firstly, rock cut architecture where side have which culture have. Firstly this notice, because if here culture change then your series answer will be changed. Harappa culture context, main important word here context have. You will get to find your right answer, because SSC and UPPCS have different both similarities. If your SSC CGL have their side another answer. One more thing telling you, SSC CGL not accepting what question given by PCS answer sheet. Okay, one most important thing understand, there are approximately questions seen where side this has been given a wrong views. Accepting the mean SSC CGL saying my right answer is Dholavira. What saying? Right answer is Dholavira, but UPPCS 2008 to 2012 the question paper sheet has given their side, he is declared this answer has been suspended because no answer are matching. But according to CGL, if you will talk about, the right answer is Dholavira, and your right answer is Dholavira. According to me, according to SSC CGL, your right answer is Dholavira, no doubt have. And this question was doubt question, that's why I told you extreme basis. Clear have? Now for the next you will have to move on. And this all the questions which I have given, I am requesting you please everyone go and watch, because we will get the most essential series their side. Okay, question number 20. What asking 20 number question? Consider the following statement. Consider the following statement. Clear? Statement, add the select correct answer. As the select correct answer. One more thing I want to tell you here, this all we are solving PYQ, and this question has been asked in MPPS. Okay, MPPSC. Most thing understand, UPPCS, okay, UPPSC have, PCS not have. Before 2010 it was UPPCS have. Okay, and this was approximately 11 or 12, this fully idea me have not, but guessing idea I am telling you 11 to 12. Okay, this was unknowing by MP PCS, and this UP PCS. Clear have? So those all the PYQ, if you will look the PYQ, then PYQ will be asked by UPPCS, not by UPPSC, because UPPSC current time checking. And if you will see, this question has been asked by MPPSC, not MPPCS. Clear? Very good understand. If a question asked by MPPCS, then definitely understand this question will be not attached by SSC CGL, and you are a aspirant of SSC CGL. So please requesting you don't do mistake, because this is a changing. You have MPPCS and MPPSC, different kind have. Already in the last video also told have, in this video also telling you don't do any mistake this kind. Clear have? Now note down the options are given here. Number first option what saying? Mohenjo-daro. First number option, Mohenjo-daro, comma Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, comma Harappa, okay, comma Ropad and Kalibanga Clear have? Kalibanga. Okay, Kalibanga are important place of Indus Valley civilization. Are important place of Indus Valley civilization. Clear have Indus Valley civilization. Clear have civilization. Option number first here have. Option number second we will write upside because we have a space issue here. Okay, so we are erasing this one. Only 19th number. Clear. Second option what saying Harappa people developed the. Second number option है बेटा Harappa people developed the. Harappa people developed. Okay, Harappa people. Okay, Harappa people developed the planned cities with network. Planned cities. Clear have planned cities with network. Clear have planned cities with network of street and drainage system. Of street and drainage system. Drainage system. Clear have question sorry option have Harappa people developed the planned cities with network of street and drainage system. Third option saying Harappa people did not know. Harappa people did not know. Clear have Harappa people did not know use of metals code. Did not know use of metals code. Metal code. Clear have understand. Okay, and here side you will have to see which is correct have. So we have issues. So firstly we will read question saying consider the following statement as the select which is correct have. First number saying Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Ropar and Kalibanga are important places of Indus Valley civilization. Clear have. So we have one number option is right option. Second number option saying beta here Harappa people developed the planned cities. Okay, Harappa people developed the planned cities with network of street and drainage system. We have option number first, option number second. These both are right beta. These both are right. Okay, and in the question given have option number 1 and 2 right, option number 1 and 3 right, option number 1 and 4 right, option number 1 2 3 4 right as kind given have. So don't take confusion. Third number saying Harappa people did not know use of metal code. This is wrong have beta. This is wrong have. Okay, Harappa people here no. Okay, Harappa people no use of the metal cords. Clear. So only we have right options number first and number second. Clear have. So if questions are following the statement correct have, so Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, Ropar, Kalibanga are important place of which civilization? Indus Valley civilization. Clear have beta. And Harappa people no developed the planned cities with the network street and drainage system. This also definitely right have beta. Number first option, number second both are right have your. Clear have. Any candidate any kind of problem those easily can ask the questions. Clear. Now move on for the next question. We have to erase this. You all want to note down firstly. Clear. Okay. Clear. So we have next question number 21st question what asking this understand because we have completed 20 number question, right? 20 completed or 19 completed, 20 completed. Okay, 20 number question one saying which of the following was known to the Harappans. Clear. 20 number one number question, which one of the following, which one of the following, clear है बेटा, which one of the following, clear, was not known to the, clear, have to the Harappans. Clear है बेटा. ऑप्शन नंबर फर्स्ट व्हाट सेइंग हियर, कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ वेल्स. व्हाट बेटा, कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ वेल्स बेटा. क्लियर है, कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ वेल्स बेटा. ऑप्शन नंबर सेकंड सेइंग कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ बेटा पिलर्स. कंस्ट्रक्शन बेटा, कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ बेटा पिलर्स, कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ बेटा पिलर्स. एंड थर्ड नंबर ऑप्शन बेटा व्हाट सेइंग कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ ड्रेन्स. कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ ड्रेन्स बेटा. नंबर फोर्थ बेटा व्हाट सेइंग कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ आर्चेस. कंस्ट्रक्शन, क्लियर है, कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ आर्च बेटा. क्लियर है, कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ आर्चेस बेटा. क्लियर है. वी हैव मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन बेटा. क्वेश्चन सेइंग विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वाज नॉट नोन टू द हड़प्पन. means here four options have, in four option one option has have which was not known by the Hadappans people. Clear have. Option number first, they know the they did not know the construction of wells. They know the construction of wells, so this is wrong option have. Yes or no? Construction of drains, they know or not? Yes, they know the construction of drains. Construction of pillars, yes, they know the construction of pillars. And construction of the arches, yes, this they not the option they did not know the using, they did not know that statement are constructing house arches have. So this is the right option है बेटा. Option number 4, construction of arches was not known to the Hadappans. Clear है बेटा. Clear. Now 22 number question, note down everyone. 22 number question saying a copper chariot. Okay, a copper, clear beta, a copper chariot. Okay, a copper chariot, clear, of Harappa time, a copper chariot of Harappa time, clear have, of Harappa times was discovered at option on your screen have option number first what है बेटा quintal. option number second बेटा राखी गढ़ी. ऑप्शन नंबर थर्ड बेटा दैमाबाद. ओके, दैमाबाद. ऑप्शन नंबर फोर्थ बेटा बनावली. ऑप्शन नंबर फोर्थ बनावली. Clear have. On your screen the question have a copper chariot of Harappa times was discovered at, means which copper chariot have, what have beta copper chariot have of Harappa times. Yes or no? Harappa times on copper chariot have those discovered where beta, discovered place asking, discovered where, is discovered in the Quanchal? No, discovered not. Is discovered in the Rakhigadi? No. Is it discovered copper chariot in the Daimabad? Yes, the right answer is Daimabad, option number third. Okay, copper chariot discovered in the of the Harappa times in the Daimabad. Clear have. Any candidate have any kind of problem, easily can ask the question. This number 22 have questions. Note down fast. Very good. Okay, clear. Okay, so can you raise the question? Okay, definitely. वेरी ग्रेट, क्लियर है बेटा। क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट व्हाट सेइंग 23rd नंबर, वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग साइड फ्रॉम वेयर वन ऑफ साइट फ्रॉम वेयर, क्लियर है बेटा, वन ऑफ साइड फ्रॉम वेयर, क्लियर, वन ऑफ साइड फ्रॉम वेयर द फेमस बुल सील ऑफ इंडस वैली, द फेमस बुल सील, क्लियर बेटा, द फेमस बुल सील, क्लियर, द फेमस बुल सील of Indus Valley civilization was found, of Indus Valley civilization was found, civilization was found बेटा, क्लियर है, क्लियर। ऑप्शंस आर बेटा, ऑप्शन नंबर फर्स्ट व्हाट हैव हड़प्पा, ऑप्शन नंबर सेकंड व्हाट है बेटा चहुंद्रो, क्लियर। ऑप्शन नंबर थर्ड व्हाट है बेटा लोथल, ऑप्शन नंबर फोर्थ बेटा मोहनजोदड़ो, क्लियर है बेटा। ऑप्शंस ऑन योर स्क्रीन हैव वन ऑफ साइड फ्रॉम वेयर द फेमस बुल सील, ओके, द फेमस बुल सील ऑफ इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन वाज फाउंड, क्लियर। फेमस बुल सील बेटा, फेमस बुल सील फ्रॉम वेयर विच साइड फाउंड बेटा, ऑप्शन आर बेटा हड़प्पा सिविलाइजेशन, चहुंद्रो, लोथल और मोहनजोदड़ो। राइट आंसर विल बी बेटा हड़प्पा। फ्रॉम विच साइड बेटा हड़प्पा, एंड हड़प्पा इज द सिविलाइजेशन ऑफ अंडर द पार्ट ऑफ इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन, क्लियर है। मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक हैव दिस। नंबर 24th क्वेश्चन व्हाट आस्किंग दिस, अंडरस्टैंड। 24th नंबर क्वेश्चन सेइंग who discovered the Indus Valley civilization, क्लियर है बेटा। Who discovered the Indus Valley civilization बेटा, क्लियर है, ओके। ऑप्शन नंबर फर्स्ट आस्किंग हियर गिविंग बेटा सर लियोनार्ड, वाइकोली, 1 मिनट, व्हाट है बेटा वुली है सर लियोनार्ड वुली। सेकंड ऑप्शन वीएस अग्रवाल, एंड थर्ड ऑप्शन बेटा दयाराम साहनी, एंड फोर्थ ऑप्शन बेटा एएल भूषण, Question what is? Question saying who discovered the Indus Valley civilization? Who discovered the Indus Valley civilization beta? So right answer will be beta Sir Leonard have. Sir Leonard Woolley? No, this is wrong answer. Is Indus Valley discovered by V.S. Agrawal? No. Is Indus Valley civilization discovered by Dayaram Sahni? Yes, Dayaram Sahni. क्लियर बेटा, दयाराम साहनी डिस्कवर्ड इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन, क्लियर है आंसर यू गॉट, दयाराम साहनी डिस्कवर्ड इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन। नाउ वी विल मूव फॉर द 25th नंबर क्वेश्चन, वी हैव टू इरेज दिस, यू कंप्लीट फास्ट। 25th नंबर क्वेश्चन वी विल प्रैक्टिस, यू एवरीवन डोंट फास्ट इरेज, ओके। Clear? 25th number question saying which one of the following animal which one of the following animal, clear, which one of the following animal was not represented, clear have question, which one of the following animal was not discovered on the seals and clear beta on the seals and terracotta art, clear have question, which one of the following animal was not represented on the seals and terracotta art of Harappan culture, beta, clear have culture, clear. Options is beta here cow, second option elephant, third option tiger, and fourth option is lion. Understand? Question asking which one of the following animal was not represented, which one of the animal was not represented on the seals and terracotta art of Harappan culture. This culture have in the last beta, okay, Harappan culture. So which have beta? Cow have. Which animal have? Cow have. Clear? Understand everyone? Okay, note down fast because this after most important question have. Okay, erase this because we have space issue. Full board we will take, okay, full board we will take, that's why. Last question have 26 number from this chapter. Okay, now note down, match the list, 26th number. Match list A with list B. Match list A with list B beta. List A here है beta, clear है, and list B here है beta, clear है. List A and list B beta. List A have Lothal. What है beta? Lothal. List B what है beta? कालीबंगा. What है? कालीबंगा. थर्ड what है बेटा? धौलावीरा. धौलावीरा. फोर्थ what है बेटा? बनावली. बनावली बेटा. Clear have? And we will see here list first have this, list second what have? Flugged field. Okay, this flugged field beta. Next thing dockyard, second number, dockyard. Third number terracotta. Clear have? Terracotta replica. Okay, terracotta replica of flag. Fourth number what saying? And inscription. What है बेटा? And inscription. Clear है? An inscription comprising comprising, comprising. Clear है? Question है बेटा लोथल, कालीबंगा, धोलावीरा and बनावली, and of here list B have flugged field, second have dockyard, third have terracotta replica of flag, fourth have an inscription comprising, okay, and here options are beta comprising 10 large sized sign, comprising 10 large size sign, large have this large size sign. I am giving you option beta, code giving, code this have, okay, code beta A B C D, clear है, option have A option, B option, C option or D option. Options on your screen have option number first, what saying A number 1 2 1 2 2 1 2 1, clear. Next 3 4 4 3, next 4 3 3 4, clear. Now saying which option matching together, this is option have, this is option have, and this is code have, okay, this is option have and this is code have. You are looking on your screen Lothal, Kalibanga, Dholavira, man's answer. I am saying option number first is the right. First number means code what have 1, okay, Lothal related to flag field. B number related beta, B number related to which one beta, second number. C number related to third number and D number related to fourth number. That means together they are matching. Lothal this, Kalibanga this, Dholavira this and Banavali this, clear have. Option number first will be the right answer have, no have, what have, wrong have, because this is just I have given exclusive you, okay, so this is not right. Even you think this type direct match, direct not matching, okay. Now mind use Lothal where have, Lothal what find, flood field found, dockyard find, yes, Lothal what have, dockyard. That mean check one number, yeah, that mean A number option number 2 have where those right have, A number option 2 places have, 2 places have, that mean this first number wrong have and third number wrong, and fight between B and D, check. Kalibanga beta, Kalibanga related to which thing beta, flag field related or terracotta related, yes, flag field. That means check option where B number 1 have, where B number, both places B number 1 have, matter fighting together. Dholavira check beta, Dholavira check, Dholavira saying beta here related to which thing, is related to terracotta replica of flag, no. Dholavira related and inscription of comprising the 10 large, yes, this is relating. That means option number C related to option number 4, C number 4, yes, option number B right have, option number B right have beta, clear have, and this will be third. Got my point? Option number third is the B number is the right answer have beta, I have underlined here, clear. Today you have received the most important one more PYQ part of history on Harappa and Indus Valley civilization. You seen the most essential parts of the questions we have seen here, discussed here and given you all one, and hope you feel very good with us and our services you like very much. If you ads have, so please make us everything continue. We will offer our best series with you. Next time we will come, so we will come with the Vedic culture. We will take the most important cultures on the Vedic field. We will see the most important series of the questions on the Vedic period, clear have. So thank you so much, give me the permission to skip the session. We will meet on next session where you will get to see Indus Valley after Vedic culture session. Thank you so much, best of luck you everyone, be happy, be continue study with us and the best institution, okay, best of luck, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.